let's just play along with the recording. It's A. Alright, that's we're playing an A on the second fret. And then we're playing B minor, except I'm just playing I'm using this A minor shape. I'm just playing it at the third and fourth frets. And then I take that up to the fifth. And then I go back to this A shape. I'm playing that at the seventh. And then you go backwards. All right, so helps. It makes it easier if you can play that with your pinky on the seventh. All right, that's kind of quick for a lot of people to make those chord changes. So we could take a capo, put it at the second fret. All right, now that's taking care of our A. All right, we're gonna say this is the nut now, though. So when I talk about the first fret, I mean the first fret up from the capo. The capo's on the second fret. All right, so we start out with open. That's A. And then on the first fret, we play A minor. And we slide it up to the third fret from the capo. That's your next chord. And then at the fifth fret now, we're going to play the final chord. Makes it quite easy because we're not having to fret go on the way down. You don't have to go to the A shape. You can just let go. Right? So that's the second way you can play it. Put a capo at the second fret, and then you can play open 4-3-2 for your A. First fret A minor. Slide that up to the third fret. Now it's not so hard to do the A with your pinky because you're already fretting this A minor shape on the third and fourth frets. So the strings are almost down. You just need to use the pinky to push it down just like a millimeter more. Because you don't let go of the A, you don't release it. You keep... If you can't do it with your pinky, try your ring finger. And you at least only have to move one finger. Here's the final way to play it. Take off your capo. Now the first two ways we can play along with the recording. This way I'm changing the key. If you change it one whole step down from A to G, you can play it just as we did with the capo, except now you're playing a G in the open position. Strings 4-3-2. And an A minor. Slide it up to the third fret. And then on the fifth fret. All right, let's cover the bridge section. Is just so your third and fourth chords in the progression are going to be your bridge. I try to laugh about it, hiding the tears in my eyes. I try to laugh about it. And if we're playing it with the capo, it'd be the same, except now it's on the third fret from the another nice thing with playing it with the capo at the second fret is you can kind of do some pull. Because anytime you let go of the strings, you're playing the root note, the root chord. Okay, hopefully that helps you and makes sense. All right, bye-bye.